MetaQuest 3 boot screen issues affect approximately 3 to 5% of devices, making this one of the most commonly reported technical problems among VR users. These issues are especially common after system updates or extended periods of device inactivity. The MetaQuest 3 boot sequence involves 4 critical stages. First, an initial hardware check called post, then bootloader initialization, followed by the Meta Horizon OS launch, and finally VR-specific service initialization. Common symptoms include the device freezing on the Meta logo, infinite loading loops, a black screen with the power LED still active, or partial boot with frozen progress indicators. Before attempting complex solutions, start with basic restart procedures. A soft restart involves holding the power button for 10 seconds until the device powers off, waiting 30 seconds, then powering back on. This method has about a 60% success rate for minor software glitches. If the soft restart doesn't work, try a hard reset by holding the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for 15 seconds. This method is more effective for deeper system freezes and has a success rate of around 75%. These initial troubleshooting steps can often resolve boot issues without any data loss, making them the preferred first approach before considering more advanced recovery options. When basic restart methods fail to resolve your MetaQuest 3 boot issues, recovery mode provides more powerful troubleshooting options. This advanced feature gives you access to system-level recovery tools. To access recovery mode, you must first power off your Quest 3 completely. Then, simultaneously hold the volume down button and power button until the recovery menu appears on your screen. Once in recovery mode, navigation is simple. Use the volume buttons to move up and down through the menu options, and press the power button to select your choice. The interface is text-based and straightforward. Recovery mode offers several options, and it's important to try them in the correct order. Start with the least invasive option first, then progress to more drastic measures only if necessary. First, try Restart System. This is the cleanest option that preserves all your data and settings. It simply performs a clean reboot from the recovery environment, which can resolve many software conflicts. If restarting doesn't work, try Clear Cache. This removes temporary files and cached data that might be causing conflicts during the boot process. Your personal data and apps remain intact. As a last resort, Factory Reset will completely erase all user data and return your Quest 3 to its original factory state. While this has a 98% success rate for resolving boot issues, you will lose all your data, apps, and settings. Before performing a factory reset, remember to back up any important data if possible. Once the reset is complete, you'll need to set up your Quest 3 from scratch, reinstall apps, and reconfigure all your settings. Prevention is always better than cure. Recent data shows that boot issues are more common in devices over 8 months old and after extended gaming sessions. Regular maintenance can help prevent these problems from occurring.